Hey, what's up everyone? I'm going to teach you some of the cool S Pen camera features of your latest Samsung Ultra series smartphone. So let's get started. You must have noticed that your S Pen has a small switch on it. You can press the switch to wirelessly capture the photos just like this. The next one is while you keep pressing the switch, you can wave up like this to flip between your cameras like this, and like this. You can even go down to like this and like this. The next one is while you keep pressing the switch, you can swipe right and left to navigate between the camera options like this. How cool is that? The next feature is when you are at the video taking mode, you just have to press the switch on your S Pen once to start capturing the video. While you capture the video, you might want to pause the video for some reason. You just have to press the switch again for 3 seconds to pause it and press it again for 3 seconds to continue taking the video, and press it once to stop it. If you want to use the continuous shutter button of your camera with this S Pen, you just have to keep pressing this switch like this. That's it. It will take continuous photos. I've taken 21 photos just now with this S Pen. I hope this video will help some of you guys to properly use their S Pen to control their Ultra series phone camera. I'll see you guys next time.